Ben Affleck is such a doting dad. The actor was seen hugging his eldest daughter Violet while dropping her off for a driving lesson. Ben Affleck cut a casual figure when he was seen dropping his 15-year-old daughter Violet at a driving school. The Good Will Hunting star, 49, co-parents his kids Seraphina, 12, Samuel, 9, and Violet with ex Jennifer Garner and was spotted hugging his eldest daughter on the August 21st outing. See all the pics here. He supportively hugged her goodbye and gave her a kiss on the head as he dropped her off for the driving lesson. He rocked his go-to gray tee, which he paired with khaki pants and black leather sneakers, as he held an iced coffee in his hand. Violet also cut a casual figure in a blue and white striped top and jean shorts, which she paired with blue sneakers. She then got behind the wheel of a black BMW convertible and drove off for the lesson. Later that day, Violet joined her dad and his girlfriend Jennifer Lopez for a family outing at the Magic Castle in Hollywood. Jen's twins Max and Em, both 13, and all three of Ben's kids were in attendance for the August 21st outing, along with his mom Christopher and Bolt. The Hustlers actress stunned in a baby blue dress with lace cutouts on the hem and a tie at the waist. She paired the long gown with matching blue heels, a white handbag, and layered gold necklaces. She styled her highlighted tresses in a fresh blowout and donned a patterned protective face mask. Related gallery. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck out with each other's kids, see photos. Meanwhile, Ben certainly looks smart in a dark blue suit with a gray button-down shirt underneath which he paired with brown dress shoes. All five of their children followed behind them as they exited the Range Rover, with each of them looking just as stylish as their parents. The family outing came one day after the brood attended the Los Angeles production of the hit Broadway show Hamilton. A video obtained by TMZ showed the couple kissing through their masks as the final curtain went down. An audience member told the outlet that the couple and their brood walked in as the lights went down so as not to be recognized, and Ben had his arms wrapped around J-Lo after the show as they waited to exit the theater.